Hi, I'm Kate and today I will show you how to crochet a simple heart decor. It's a beginner-friendly project worked in the round with basic stitches. My swatches are done in cotton yarn, but for this tutorial I'll be using Hobby Portobello yarn, which is a mix of cotton, acrylic and wool. I also have a 3.5mm crochet hook. You can use any yarn with a corresponding hook. Start with a slip knot and 4 chain stitches. Make sure to check the description box where I linked the post with a written pattern and a diagram for this project. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You can also click the bell button to get a notification whenever I post something new. Make a slip stitch in the first chain to close the loop. You can also use a magic ring technique. Next, chain 2 and work 2 double crochets into the loop. Then make 2 chain stitches and work 3 double crochets in the same loop. Repeat it 2 more times. 2 chain stitches and 3 double crochets. We want to create a squarish shape with double crochets on each side. Great! Now chain 2 and slip stitch into the second chain stitch of the turning chain. The turning chain works as 1 double crochet, so our square has 3 double crochets on each side. To start this round, chain 3. This is our turning chain, which will work as 1 double crochet. Next, make 1 double crochet in each of the 2 remaining stitches. See how they line up with the stitches below. When you reach the corner, work into the loop as follows: 2 double crochets, 2 chains, 2 double crochets. This sequence will be repeated in each next corner space. Now let's make 1 double crochet in each of the nearest stitches. Finding the first one might be tricky, so scoop the corner stitches to get to it. Here is one. This is the second one. And the third one. Great! We reached the corner again. Let's repeat the corner sequence. 2 double crochets, 2 chains, 2 double crochets. Repeat what we did on each side of the square. Let's make 1 double crochet in each of the nearest stitches. Here is the last corner space, so work 2 double crochets, two chains, 2 double crochets again, and close the round with a slip stitch by working it in the 3rd chain of our turning chain. Great! Our base is ready. Now we have to move to the next corner space. Make 3 slip stitches in the nearest stitches, like so, going under both strands of yarn. Then make another one in the chain space, a 4th one. Now, before we do anything else, let's find the middle stitch of the side. We have 7 of them, so we are looking for the number 4. It's this one. Alright, now we can yarn over twice and work a double treble in the stitch we just found. Now continue making double treble crochets in the same stitch. We need 10 of them. Adding the last ones may be tricky, so keep scooping the stitches if you need more space. When you have 10 double treble crochets, make a slip stitch in the nearest corner chain space. Fantastic! Now let's do the same on the other side. So first find the 4th stitch, which is in the middle of the side, and then work 10 double trebles there. When you're ready, again attach it to the corner with a slip stitch. And that's all. The heart is now ready. Use it as Valentine's Day decoration, join it with others to make a garland, or give them away to the people you love. Remember that there is a written pattern and a diagram in the blog post, which I linked in the description box below. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or would like to see more, leave suggestions and feedback in the comments section below. Thanks and have a creative day.